Congratulations! You probably clicked on this video because you found a great deal on a property you want to buy, or you need to sell your home and someone told you that you need an attorney to close on the deal. Maybe you are researching the steps to buying a home and you saw that you need a real estate attorney. But do you? And if you do, how in the world do you find a good one? I'm going to break down the pros and cons of hiring a real estate attorney. And I'm going to give you real-world examples of when my clients hired not so good attorneys and how you can avoid those pitfalls too. Picture this. The year is 2022. I had just been hired for my biggest deal to date, selling my client's property right on Madison Square Park in the Flatiron District, in the middle of the island of Manhattan, in New York City. The deal was an eye-popping $10 million US, and my wealthy client overseas had their own family office, managing their financial affairs and coordinating with us on this deal. Being wealthy, they were very connected and wanted to use an attorney that they felt familiar with to handle their closing affairs. The attorney they used charged a legal fee of $50,000. You would think that they would do an outstanding job, be the best of the best law firms, but sadly, that was nowhere near the case. And I, as an agent, cannot legally advise my client against using an attorney of their choosing. So, we went through the deal, with delays and misunderstandings, and at the end of the day, a lot more work and stress for everyone involved. So, I am here to tell you, you do not need to pay an astronomical amount to hire a good real estate attorney to handle your deal. You see, unlike a trial attorney, like the ones you see on TV where they go to court fighting for your freedom or litigating on your behalf, a real estate attorney is considered a transactional attorney, someone who looks through paperwork, negotiates contracts, and is making sure you are legally able and protected to purchase your home. Not every buyer in the US needs an attorney, but I'll tell you, for all the deals I have done, whether in New York or out of state, I still hire one to protect my needs. I don't assume to know all the laws and particular eccentricities in each state. So having an attorney by your side will only protect your best interests, or at least that is the assumption. In New York City, where studios go for $1 million today, and the most expensive home is being offered at $250 million. You will want an attorney by your side looking after your best interests, essentially with so much money on the table. And in New York City, it is required, as many buyers and sellers are from out of state or from another country and may not understand the complexity and nuances of buying and selling a home in the city. And boy, let me tell you, there are a lot of requirements. So, how in the world do you find a good attorney, you may be wondering? Let me give you a few best practices that I have found to be useful. Ask a family member, friend, or coworker locally that has had a good experience working with a real estate transactional attorney to help them buy a home. Like real estate agents, there are a ton of attorneys, especially in New York City. So, hearing from people you trust is helpful. It is extremely important to vet the attorney. Can you confirm that they are based locally? For example, if you're looking to do a deal in Manhattan, New York City, find an attorney that is also based in Manhattan, New York City. Don't hire an attorney from Long Island, New York, or someone in New Jersey or some other state. They will not understand the particular nuances of how things operate in New York City, how to navigate due diligence requirements within the building management, or, frankly, how to negotiate the best terms that are specific to your local market and may not actually get you the best protection. Following up on that, make sure that the attorney you want to work with has recently done a similar type of deal. For example, if you are buying a co-op in Manhattan, find an attorney that is based locally and has successfully closed on a co-op deal recently. That will show that they understand the complexities of what a co-op is and how the approval process works. and how to work with the lender and management to get the deal closed. Next, does the attorney respond to you in a timely manner that is acceptable to you? For example, do they speak your language? Do they take the time to understand your situation and get you the answers you are looking for? Or do they do things on their schedule or with very short, abrupt responses? If you get a bad feeling from the very beginning, continue searching. Not all attorneys are created equal. I recently did a deal where the buyer was using his trust to purchase a luxury property in Flatiron. He asked his trust attorney to recommend someone within their firm, and they got connected to him to a real estate attorney that focuses on commercial real estate, which was a huge mistake. The deal took longer to close, and the attorney did not understand what was customary to get the deal closed and basically delayed the entire process. And unlike in the residential real estate business, where generally everyone is friendly, this attorney was shrewd, short, and too direct. I'm sure my client paid big bucks for their retainer, but I can tell you the service was subpar. As someone like me, a real estate agent who can recommend an attorney, chances are you're an agent who does a lot of deals in the local market, worked with a bunch of local real estate attorneys, and can decipher the good from the bad. Attorneys and agents cannot get referral fees, so there is no cash incentive by recommending one, just that they are good at what they do. And likely, if you like your agent, you will most likely like the attorney that they recommend. If you still have questions about your particular situation, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to respond and try to point you in the best direction I know how. And if you are at the starting stages of buying or selling a property, reach out to me and my team Undivided through the contact link below. I am also going to include my ultimate buyer's guide to buying in New York City. It's totally free and helps streamline the process. Quick reminder, please take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. We spend a lot of time trying to make this content to help you out, and your like goes a long way. That's all, folks. Be sure to check out this super video on your real estate journey. Until next time, 再见.